In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your microphone input device on your Chromebook's web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. And then on the left side, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right, go underneath Site Settings, select it, and then select Microphone underneath Permissions. Click the drop down at the top underneath microphone. You have different microphone input devices listed here. Select the proper one and then make sure sites can use your microphone is selected. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.